Hey guys, Adam here. Today I'm going to show you how to make an incoming webhook in Slack. First of all, open your web browser. On the URL section, you have to type in api.slack.com/apps. Hit enter. Click on create an app. Click on from scratch. From here, you can select any of your app name. For example, I will select my application name. On this section, I have to select my workspace. I will select my workspace and click on create app. And make sure to turn on this settings, activate incoming webhooks. And then a new section will appear. You have to scroll down a bit and click on add new webhook to workspace. From here you have to select a channel from the drop down menu. Click on it. You can select any channel. For example, I will select the general and click on allow. Now from this page you have to scroll down a bit. You will see a URL of your general section. Copy the link and you can go to your app. From here you will see the general section. If I click on it, I will see added an integration to this channel. And that's how you can make an incoming webhook in Slack. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe.